we've got two pollutants plotted, and it's important to look at the different chart types. So let's just look at a line chart. Click Change Chart Type, and let's look at a line chart for this data. And you could see that it's kind of ugly, although we could make it tell a story a little bit better if we removed all the markers. Let's again click in the chart so that we've got the Pivot Chart Tools tab and go to Design tab, change chart type. I think the only other chart type besides column or line that can ever possibly work is area charts, but only if you make the front area transparent. As you can see that this looks pretty cool, but you got to make sure that this is not overlapping data that you can't see behind here. So make this front one transparent by clicking on it. Now you know you've got it selected. You can always check by going to Layout and then see over here the series average of PM25 is selected. I'm going to right click it, say Format Data Series, and then I'm going to make it a little bit transparent so that you can see through it. And then you can see that the back layer is visible also. It's still not the greatest, but this is a really good chart type if you've got one pollutant that's always less than the other, so you don't have to worry about it overlapping to the back. So fool around with this. In this case, I think the column chart might work okay just for two pollutants. So I'm going to go to the Design tab, change chart type, and I'm going to change it back to column because I think that could probably work as long as we make sure that we've got this column. Now it's still saved its transparency, it's barely visible. So I'm going to select this series of the PM2.5, which is what we added, right click, Format Data Series, and I'm going to make sure that I get rid of that transparency so we can even see those.